For preparing aloo ki sabzi tari wali, the things we require are 5 medium-sized potatoes cut into cubes, 2 medium-sized tomatoes chopped, 2-3 green chilies cut lengthwise, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 2 teaspoon of green coriander leaves, small piece of onion chopped, lemon juice of half lemon, 1 teaspoon of cumin or zira, 1½ teaspoon of red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 2 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of garam masala powder, 1/4 teaspoon of asafoetida or hing, half a teaspoon of sugar for aloo ki sabzi, salt according to taste. For puris, we require 250 grams of wheat flour, 2-3 tablespoons of semolina or suji, half teaspoon of carom seeds or ajwain, desi ghee and oil.
Hello friends, welcome to Shine's Kitchen. Well, today I wanted to shoot for eggless cake, but due to electricity problem I am going to shoot aloo puri. And since long time I was thinking to shoot up for this simple vegetable and very tasty, very popular among all in India especially. So learn how to prepare this aloo puri, and I have seen this method by halwais which they prepare in Bhojanalaya Indian restaurant. So learn how to prepare Bhojanalaya like aloo puri. These are 5 to 6 medium size potatoes, and I have cut them. And if you have some time to prepare, just soak them in water with a little bit of salt so that they won't get black. We are not adding any kind of fat, neither oil nor ghee. We have to boil this potato along with masalas, and then we will do the seasoning. 2 medium to large size tomatoes, salt according to taste. You can taste and add some more if you require. 1 teaspoon. This is asafoetida or hing. You get this flavor and aroma, very nice aroma. You can add any asafoetida you have, that granule one or this one. 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoon of coriander powder, once again red chili powder according to your taste. This is quite hot. 1½ teaspoon of red chili powder, salt I have added, and sugar, about half a teaspoon of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Mix all well, and now it's time to add water to it, and we will give 4 to 5 pressures so that our potatoes will become tender. This vegetable is quite watery. I am adding 300 ml of water, and we're going to close the lid and we'll give pressures. So after giving 5 to 6 pressures and waiting to open the cooker, you can see it looks like this, and we have to mash our potatoes little bit with the help of a masher. Just half of them, don't mash all the potatoes, like this. The aloo or aloo bhaji which we use with the puris, is generally seasoned with desi ghee, and it tastes really awesome with desi ghee. So I'm going to season it with desi ghee. This is 1 teaspoon of cumin or safed zira, little bit of mustard seeds, about 1/4 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Keep the flame slow. Just a small piece of onion, and slit 2-3 green chilies. This is 1/4 of garam masala, which I am adding in vegetable, and we will simmer it. After seasoning, we are going to simmer it for some time, and our bhaji will be ready. This is called tadka. You don't have to turn it brown or black. Just like this, your chili should look like they are fried, like this. You can reduce the amount of ghee. Even I am going to reduce it. Now you can see my seasoning is ready, and carefully add into your aloos. Mix it well and squeeze little bit of lemon. Taste at this stage. Just simmer it for 2-3 minutes. Add coriander leaves. See, the consistency you like, you can adjust by adding water to it, or just like this. This is the right consistency which we eat with puris. So I am going to cover it and start frying my puris. This is plain wheat flour. Add salt to it according to your taste. And this is ajwain or carom seeds. 2-3 tablespoons of semolina suji. This gives very crispy and crunchy puris. And about 2 tablespoons of oil. You can also add hot oil just before kneading, in which you are going to fry our puris, but right now I have added the plain. And 1 tablespoon of sugar. Mix all these things well. And we have to knead stiff dough, not like rotis, but we have to knead a stiff dough to get crispy puris. So add water in small amount. See, I have rolled some of my puris, and we have to smear a little bit of oil on the patta on which we will going to roll our puris. Just line your plate with tissue paper, any plain paper you have, and the oil should be hot. Carefully from side. Lift it and carefully put into the oil, because oil is quite hot, and just press with little pressure. Turn it. Adjust the temperature. Drain the oil, extra oil, and start serving your puris when they are still puffed up. They have turned very crispy. And our vegetable also. So friends, here my aloo ki sabzi, tari wali aloo ki sabzi, and puris are ready. You can also accompany aloo puri with halwa, with achar, and please do give a try to this simple vegetable, and I hope you will like it. So please let me know whether you have tried it or not and how did it turn out, and please subscribe my channel to learn such recipes in a simple way. Enjoy your cooking. Have a nice time. Bye.